How to turn off people you may know push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off people you may know push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click notifications, and here just go down, you will find people you might know, click on it and then just turn this one here, push notifications, turn it off. And now all you need to do is just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.